Welcome to Soulful Kitchen, where timeless beauty and natural charm come alive in every corner. Today, we're exploring the enchanting world of French country kitchens. Stay with us until the end to discover inspiring design secrets that bring warmth and tradition to your home. Let's begin this journey together. A charming French country kitchen bathes in soft natural light, revealing weathered wooden beams and antique white cabinetry with a distressed finish. Open shelves display rustic earthenware, while a farmhouse sink with a vintage brass faucet invites timeless beauty. Subtle floral tiles in pastel hues complete this warm retreat. The scene gently shifts to a cozy corner where a natural wood dining table rests against cream walls, adorned with embroidered linen curtains featuring lavender motifs. Copper pots hang gracefully, and fresh herbs thrive on the windowsill, weaving old-world charm with serene simplicity. Next, a traditional wooden dresser painted in faded blue hosts hand-thrown pottery, while a woven basket brims with fresh garden vegetables. Terracotta floor tiles and delicate lace accents enhance the kitchen's rustic allure, inviting quiet moments of natural beauty and timeless tradition. Sunlight floods a bright French kitchen where a stone hearth cradles a cast iron stove. Aged wooden countertops, ceramic jars filled with lavender and herbs, and hand-woven baskets of fresh bread create an atmosphere rich in heritage and warmth. An elegant kitchen island topped with marble stands beneath vintage brass pendant lights. Soft blue-gray cabinetry with intricate paneling displays hand-painted ceramic plates, while a rustic wooden breadboard offers freshly baked baguettes, blending refinement with countryside charm. Sunlight streams through a kitchen adorned with antique copper cookware hanging from wrought iron racks. A farmhouse sink, whitewashed cabinetry, and hand-dyed linen curtains in lavender hues frame a simple ceramic vase holding wildflowers, evoking natural grace. Exposed stone walls surround a large wooden farmhouse table draped in a checked linen cloth. Vintage ceramic bowls filled with fresh fruit and a wrought iron chandelier complement handcrafted pottery, inviting a sense of rustic elegance and timeless comfort. A wooden kitchen island topped with reclaimed wood showcases, ceramic jars painted with blue floral motifs. Copper pots hang from open shelves, while dried herbs bundle above, basking in soft sunlight filtering through lace curtains to enrich the kitchen's rustic charm. Whitewashed wooden cabinets frame a serene kitchen with a farmhouse sink and brushed brass faucet. A hand-painted tile backsplash in soft blue and cream, terracotta floor tiles, and ceramic pots filled with fresh herbs create a natural, calming atmosphere. Open wooden shelving filled with vintage pottery pairs with a rustic wooden dining table and hand-woven rattan chairs. Linens dyed in soft lavender and cream, paired with a stone fireplace, craft a kitchen scene filled with natural and timeless beauty. A distressed wooden cupboard, painted soft pastel tones, hosts vintage ceramic dishes with floral patterns, an aged wooden bread box, and a woven basket of fresh herbs. Linen curtains embroidered delicately complete this cozy kitchen corner, radiating gentle warmth. Weathered wooden countertops surround a farmhouse sink in a French country kitchen adorned with a hand-painted ceramic tile backsplash. Open shelves hold rustic earthenware, while natural linen curtains let in soft light, creating a serene and inviting space. Rustic wooden beams frame a stone fireplace with iron cooking pots. A vintage oak dining table set with handmade pottery, lavender bunches hanging to dry, and hand-embroidered textiles add traditional elegance to this tranquil kitchen scene. Whitewashed cabinetry with aged brass handles surrounds a farmhouse sink with a wooden draining board. Soft pastel walls and open shelves display handcrafted ceramic pitchers, while dried herbs hang from rustic iron hooks, inviting a natural kitchen ambience. A large wooden island topped with marble sits beneath vintage brass pendant lamps. Stone floors with hand-laid tiles and open shelves decorated with hand-painted ceramics add a gentle feminine touch to this picturesque French country kitchen. Exposed wooden beams accentuate a weathered wooden table draped with hand-woven fabric runners. Open shelves filled with copper pots and vintage porcelain, a stone hearth with cast iron cookware, and soft natural light highlight the kitchen's textured charm. Distressed cream cabinetry surrounds a farmhouse sink beneath a window with linen curtains. Hand-painted blue and white ceramics on open shelves, terracotta floor tiles, and fresh lavender in simple vases add softness and natural beauty to this kitchen. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring tour of French country kitchen secrets. Remember, embracing natural materials and traditional touches creates a warm, inviting space. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support means the world to us at Soulful Kitchen.